Hi there. This quick video tutorial is to help you understand how to reduce the file size of an image. So for example, this image here is 3580 kbs right now, which is 3.5 MBs if I'm not wrong. And the objective is to reduce the file size to just 100 kbs. So that's what we are going to learn in this video. The the online photo editor I'm using is Pixlr. There are many different ways to do it. There are many online tools like this you can use, but I like this one for two reasons. One, this is very easy to use, and secondly, this is free. You don't need to pay anything. So you can Google it, Pixlr, and hit this URL so that you're taken to their homepage. Here you will see there are two variants. Pixlr X is basically meant for designing projects from scratch. Pixlr E is for photo editing. So this is what we need. Now, there are two ways to open an image. This is the dashboard, which gives you an option to open an image. So this is how you can open an image, but there's another quicker way, which is opening the file browser and just resizing it so that it exposes both the windows at the same time, and just drag and drop your files. That's it. There you go. Now, to reduce the file size, what you need to do is just uh, just press Control S on your keyboard so that you get to this window. Or otherwise, what you can do is click on File and click on Save, which does the same job. Now, right now, what you see is this file is of 1.5 MB, and we need to reduce it to 100 KB. So there are some preset qualities here: low, medium, and high. So clicking on low gives you 434 kbs already. Now what you can do, uh, you know, hold this slider and bring it down, and for example, leave it here to see how much is reduced. Now it's still 145 kbs bigger than what we need. So we need to bring it down, say here, 97, bingo. So if it's supposed to be less than 100 kb, then 97 is a good idea, reduced. There you go, 97.7 kbs. Did you notice that the dimensions of the image remain the same, but the weight of the image, the size of the file is reduced? Thank you so much for watching this, and keep watching this space for more such videos. Have a good day. Bye-bye.